What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel and to another video. This is going to be how we are taking this car, this bad bitch right here.
It's my 99 Subaru Forester.
So this video is going to be how we are taking this car, which she paid $1,000 for, and we are going to make it into like a $3,000–$4,000 car. We're going to increase the value of this thing by a lot. Just doing a few simple things. What we're doing: wheel bearing, shifter linkage, spark plugs,
taillight,
some other random little stuff here, but you guys will see throughout the video. First thing I always do when I get a car home though, open the hood and pressure wash the engine bay. Let's show them a quick before. That is cringy. That is disgusting.
This is like Devin's favorite part.
I literally love like making shitty cars nice. I don't know why.
Yeah.
It's who I am, you know, what can I say?
That's what he does literally with all of these cars that he owns, all 7 of them.
Except that orange thing, it's not nice, that's a pile of shit. Everyone hates
that. One's a keeper. Sit
back guys, you know, grab a Joe, grab an eggnog latte.
Cheers. And
enjoy this video, it's gonna be pretty dope. This is a current before. Let's do a little walk around of this car. Here's how it looks. Disgusting engine bay, some cringy wheels, rusty brakes, some rust back here on the body. Got a broken taillight. What else? Some peeling paint right here. That's how it looks right now. By the end of this video, you'll see this car transform into a much cleaner, much more aesthetically pleasing Subaru Forester. The first thing we're gonna be doing is cleaning up this disgusting engine bay. Cool thing about all this and on this car, she's gonna be working on it.
So what we're gonna do next is the spark plugs, and I think if we do this, it'll make it run better.
Does it run like shit?
Yes. Let's
do it.
The next thing we're gonna do is change the wheel bearing.
Why?
Because it's floppy. Crusty. Shot. Dead. What we're gonna do to the inside of this car is clean it. We're gonna vacuum it out. We're gonna do a little Windex, a little cleaner, because it's really nasty, and yeah.
What'd you get?
My worst nightmare. I don't know where it went now.
What are we doing on the Forester next?
Taillight.
You want to do the taillight?
Yeah, come here. I'm a pro at taking the taillights off. I did them on my Jenny. Fix the shifter linkage because it sucks and it doesn't work. How I know we need to fix it is because the steering wheel. This is not a steering wheel. I'm gonna drive down the road with this. How I know that the shifter linkage is bad is because this is super floppy. I suck. Okay, yeah, so next thing we're gonna do is lower the car on WRX suspension. That meant you have to catch it. Okay, so this one is the one that I just took out, the crusty stock suspension, and this one is the WRX. Pretty much the last mod that we're doing to this car, follow me, is we're gonna put some fancy dancy wheels on her. So we're gonna put all of these wheels on the car, and these are actually Devin's stock FRS wheels. Just leave it like that.
That looks sick. Is that good height? Jump on the front. You can go jump on the front and it should drop the front down a little bit. Or do you want me to?
What do you mean?
Gotta settle the suspension a little bit. We could slam this motherfucker like 3 more. Shit.
Honey, we're not trying to slam it. Way better. We're here at Alco Tint Shop. The last thing that we gotta do to the Forester to make it look kind of, you know, pretty. Kinda pretty. We're getting her windows tinted. Okay, yeah, follow me. So much better. Is this even my car? Can't believe how much tint does to a car. Hey guys, we just picked up my Forester and it looks 10 million times better than it did before. Just get a good look at her. If you're ever in the Spokane and Coeur d'Alene area, I would highly, highly recommend getting your windows tinted here.
Bruh.
They do an amazing job, so yeah, hands down.
Hands down.
Hands freaking down.
Put your hands
In
down.
pocket.
Put your hands down.
Alright guys, so the last time you probably saw this Forester, it had Devin's stock FRS wheels on it. And somebody actually came through my work and offered me free snowflakes and free snow tires. So that's what we're working with. And today, follow me over this way. We're gonna make her look just a little bit more better. A little bit more better. And put these bad boys on there.
car is all done, looking absolutely amazing. It looks a lot better than it did before. Would you agree?
Oh, it looks 10 times better.
So everything we did, honestly, it's been a very long process. We lowered it, wheels, taillight, shifter linkage, wheel bearing. We did a lot of stuff. As you guys can see, it turned out pretty good for a winter beater. Like, it's not really a winter beater anymore. It's too mint for a winter beater. No, it turned out really good for a nice little winter car for Bobby. So I think that is gonna be the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go down below, smash that thumbs up button. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you in the next video.